Hi, I'm Eddie with Guardair, and today we want to show you our latest addition to the safety airgun lineup, the Guardair PalmJet. The PalmJet is the most advanced palm switch style safety airgun available on the market today. Featuring a soft, contoured ergonomic grip with a full-length trigger, the PalmJet provides the ultimate in operator comfort. Equipped with a generously sized hanging hook, this airgun is ready for use when you are. Molded from high-impact polyethylene plastic, the lightweight PalmJet features an industry-standard 1/4-inch FNPT brass inlet. Each gun includes a replaceable stainless steel 1/4-inch diameter extension, ideal for cleaning the tightest of spaces. 4 popular extension lengths, 4, 12, 18, and 24-inch, are available in bent and straight configurations. And each extension features a star-tip nozzle providing superior debris cleaning performance and OSHA compliance. To operate the PalmJet, adjust the volume control for the desired output thrust and squeeze the trigger. The PalmJet delivers the quality you want, the comfort you deserve, and the performance you need. Grip the next generation in safety airguns, the Guardair PalmJet.